Welcome back to another musket powder seasoning recipe. Today we'll be teaching you how to pan roast a rack of lamb. Start by cleaning and butchering the lamb as necessary. When finished, cover completely with horseradish. Now it's time to add your musket powder seasonings. Apply liberally, and once it's completely covered, it's time to tie to ensure even cooking. Transfer to a sheet tray and let air dry overnight in the fridge. The next day, remove from the fridge and preheat a pan with a neutral oil to medium-high heat. Dice some butter and set aside. Add your rack of lamb to the pan. We will be cooking each side for about 2 minutes to form a crust. Once that is completed, add the butter to the pan and baste for an additional minute. Add to a 450 degree preheated oven with a temperature probe until the internal temp hits 120 degrees. Once the target temperature has reached 120 degrees, remove from the oven and let rest for 10 minutes. During this time, the temperature of the lamb will increase an additional 10 degrees, resulting in a perfect medium rare. After resting, cut and serve. We hope you've enjoyed another musket powder seasoning recipe. Feel free to check out our website for additional recipes and other content related to musket powder seasonings.